Hey, what is up, you beautiful people? This is Chant. Another day, another vlog. आज संडे है, तो आज का प्लान ऐसा है कि संडे को ना पूरे हफ्ते का कंटेंट शेड्यूल करके रख लेते हैं हम. तो बेसिकली टाइम नहीं होता काम करते वक्त पूरे हफ्ते भर में. तो संडे को ये सारे लिंक्डइन यूट्यूब के 2 वीडियोस शूट करके रख लो. हालांकि यूट्यूब का तो वीडियो बनाना थोड़ा इट्स लाइक उसको सेटअप करो, ये करो, बहुत सारा काम लगता है. बट लिंक्डइन तो शेड्यूल हो ही जाता है पूरे एक हफ्ते के लिए. So yeah, many of you are asking, how do I bulk produce content? Well, I have a resource that I have developed, especially these 31 proven LinkedIn post templates that I use for myself. And it's basically a list of all the big creators whose content have gone viral. So basically, have a look at it. All right, you can see. So this is template number 1, then there is template number 2. This one is by Dickie Bush. So a lot of the creators whose content has gone viral, I just take their content and I have created 21 templates out of those. And then I have also observed my own LinkedIn profile, whichever content has gone viral, I have documented this. So all in all, I have about 31 templates that I personally use. And yeah, I use this to create my LinkedIn post. Alright, so YouTube video is done. And now Didi is here doing deep work. Hi Didi.
Hello.
What's up? So we are planning to launch a free webinar on sales tomorrow night. I mean, if you are watching this video, then today night. I'll be publishing this video tomorrow anyways. So I've just sent an email to our entire list where I've sent us email sending that Monday night we'll have the webinar. So if you want to get access to this webinar, do comment below webinar. I'll send you the link there as well. Right? So hope to see you in there, and it will be really, really fun. Yeah. Alright, so I recorded 2 YouTube videos, and guess what? I love this MacBook Pro because it comes with a 1080p camera. I don't have to set up this DSLRs anymore. I hated doing that all the time. That obviously increased the quality of the video, but I felt like, especially when it comes to an education channel, what really works is good content. अच्छा content हमेशा काम करता है. So अच्छे content produce करने के लिए I don't want to work so hard, right? So अभी I just recorded all the videos from here. You can see 2 videos I recorded so fast, and I'll be recording 1 more video right now. And this will be on how I create YouTube thumbnails. So that's that. So then once this is done, my job for the day is also done. And then I'll take a break and go home and sleep like a donkey. Right? So thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow's vlogs so that I can show you what happens on the weekdays. Weekends are usually like this, creating content so that I don't have to take the headache of creating content. Right? So see ya. Bye-bye.